To create a Capital One account, start by going to the Capital One website or mobile app. Click on the Sign Up or Open an Account button, and select the type of account you want to open, such as a checking or savings account, or a credit card account. You will be asked to provide some personal information, including your name, address, date of birth, and social security number. You will also need to provide a valid form of identification, such as a driver's license or passport. Next, you will need to fund your new account, which can be done by transferring money from an existing account, or by making a deposit at a Capital One branch. Once you have completed the application process, you will receive an email with instructions on how to activate your new account. You will need to create a username and password, and set up security questions to help keep your account secure. It is also a good idea to set up account alerts, which will notify you of any suspicious activity on your account. You can also take advantage of Capital One's mobile banking app, which allows you to manage your account, pay bills, and transfer money on the go. Finally, be sure to review and understand the terms and conditions of your new account, including any fees or interest rates that may apply. By following these steps, you can easily create a Capital One account and start managing your finances today. It is recommended to have all the required information and documents ready before starting the application process to make it as smooth as possible. Additionally, if you have any questions or need help during the process, you can contact Capital One's customer service for assistance. Creating a Capital One account is a straightforward process that can be completed online or through the mobile app, and it provides access to a range of financial products and services that can help you achieve your financial goals.